Good sleep in the camper last night. And now my little coffee from the vending machine, and gonna try and walk 35 kilometers a day. So we are 400 kilometers of this bike path from Florence, and we have 13 days to do it. So there's plenty of time. I could probably average about 30 kilometers a day, but I want to walk a little more than that each day so I can take a day off at some point. Not really sure what's ahead. I think it's farmland today and a few towns. We'll see. Hopefully it's flat and peaceful. Savannah has a little something in her paw, a little thorn or something, and I can't pinch it out, so I'm gonna get the tweezers and pull it out that way. Let's see. Where is it? Right there. Right. That little guy right there. Let's see if we can get this out. Got it. There, little thorn. So this is a first. This piece right here cracked. It's undone. So my front tire is only connected by one side right now. It's not catastrophic, surprisingly, because I can the weight, it's only half split down the middle, so the weight can rest on half of it. But I got to get it fixed, and I had zip ties, but I left them at a hotel, so I can't tie it together right now, foolishly. And I can't find a mechanic, so there's a town like 2 miles ahead, or not 2 miles, there's a town 2 hours ahead. Hopefully I can find a mechanic there. This is really, really bizarre. I mean, this has not happened before. Gotta get it fixed. So the plan is to find a mechanic. Like I said, there's a town in 2 hours. Hopefully there's a mechanic there. If not, then I'll find a hardware store, get some zip ties, at least keep the metal together. But I only need to make it 10 more days. I need to make it 400 kilometers to Florence. And then I have my friend coming, and I just ordered a new piece. So thank the Lord that my friend's coming and I can order a new one. Even if it was welded, I'm not sure I would trust it. In Colombia, I had a similar thing happen. My axle snapped, and they welded it, but it's just not as the brake point's still there, and it's just not as strong. And so even if they welded this, I wouldn't trust it as much. So, and it's 2 years old. So got my friend coming. He'll bring a new one. Right now, I just need to make this thing last for 10 more days, well, 13 more days, 400 kilometers. Got my tent pole's busted, cart's busted. It's a good thing my friend's coming. So as it is in Italy, everything is closed midday, so I gotta wait until 3 o'clock to get into this gomista, this auto repair shop that I was told can weld aluminum, so should be good after that. So it looks like the mechanic won't have a problem welding the aluminum, which is awesome. I showed it to him. He didn't have any qualms about it. I said 10 minutes. He's working on another motorcycle. we spent 1 o'clock until 3 o'clock waiting for this motorcycle mechanic to open, and then 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock of him fixing my cart. And so he actually fixed it really quickly, the piece. It's kind of an L bracket, and he welded it really quickly. We leave, and then about 500 meters in, the thing snaps. It's only held together by 3 little points, so it's kind of a tough thing to weld. So we bring it back, he re-welds it, and then he decides he's going to make an entirely new piece out of another L bracket. So he made us a new one. That's what my cart is running on now. The cart is running way to the right. Everything's pushing to the right, but it's a strong piece. It's stable. I trust it. So, and he did it for free. I got him a beer. I bought him a big beer at a supermarket. There's a little payment, but he did it all for free. Really nice guy, and saved me. So, very grateful. Good day today. We were really lucky too, because the town right there is right outside of this huge forest that we're going to be walking through. And it's 5 o'clock, the sun's going down. It'll be down in about 45 minutes. So we're fortunate that I don't have to get a hotel for a night. Don't really have to search for a place to sleep. I'm just going to walk, and once it gets dark, start camping.
They're not going to find anywhere else, you know?
We got out of town, and we were able to find a camp just before sunset. So it worked out. I think we walked 30 kilometers today. So still a full day, despite 4 hours fixing the cart. It's gonna get pretty cold tonight, and then tomorrow should be warmer. So I'm out of breath. I just blown up my inflatable mattress right there, that yellow thing. Yeah, another good day, very good day.